Your next car could be the 2022 Nissan Altima. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, satellite radio, keyless start, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.